Hey y'all, welcome to DIY Home and Garden. Today I wanted to share with you a life hack to help you drink more water so you can stay healthy and safe and enjoy this summer. According to the Mayo Clinic, women should drink 91 ounces of water per day and men should drink 125 ounces. Now that's going to vary depending on how hot it is where you live and whether you work out during the day and all those good things. So I'm not recommending to you how much to drink. That is between you and your doctor. Those are just some general guidelines, and that's a lot of water. I know me personally, my doctor told me about 100 ounces, not 91, and that could be because I train for 5Ks and run in the North Carolina heat several times a week. So that is probably why for me it's a little higher. So it's going to change. Anyway, it's hard to keep up with drinking that much water. There are apps on these watches and phones, but who remembers to set those? I know I don't. So I have found the way that works best for me, and that is a very, very simple 1-quart mason jar with my lemon water and this little product that I get from Amazon. It is the Ball, which is a trusted household name, Ball brand, the mason jar sip and straw lid. So it has a straw and it has a lid. You take your mason jar and you take your canning ring. This one happens to be a regular mouth, but they do make them in wide mouth as well. And you put your top on here. Put your straw through and put on your top. And I know when I have consumed 3 of these that I have taken in 96 ounces of water. So almost my 100-ounce benchmark that my doctor has told me to do. Real easy, low tech. It reminds you to drink water when you keep this sitting on your desk all day. And it will help you keep safe, hydrated, and healthy all summer long. I put the purchase link for this in the DIY Home and Garden Amazon store in the notes for the video below. And I hope that you will invest in yourself and invest in this really simple tool and take care of yourself. Until the next time, I hope you have a happy DIY day.